How to fix iPhone calls not ringing. Are incoming calls on your iPhone going straight to voicemail, or is your phone not ringing when someone calls? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you several quick settings you can check to fix the problem. Welcome to Phone Transformer. First of all, swipe down from top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Check if do not disturb or any other focus mode is enabled. If it is, simply tap it once to turn it off. Now ask someone to call you and see if your iPhone rings normally. If the issue continue, open the settings app, scroll down and tap sounds and haptics. If you see the silent mode option and it's turned on, switch it off. If your iPhone has physically ring silent switch on the left side, make sure it's set to ring mode instead of silent mode. While you are still in sounds and haptics, find the ringtone and alert volume slider. Drag the slider all the way the right to increase the ringtone volume. This ensures you are hearing incoming calls clearly. Now go back to the main settings screen. Tap the search bar and type phone. Then open the phone settings. Scroll down until you find silence unknown caller. If this feature is enabled, call from number that aren't saved you in your contract won't ring, they'll go directly to voicemail. If you want every call to ring normally, simply turn silent callers off. That's it. After checking these settings, your iPhone should start ringing normally again for incoming calls. If this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.